Hello, good evening, guys. Happy New Year once again. How are you today? Hope you had a wonderful day. All right, a quick one. I'm going to be making white okra. White okra. We're going to be enjoying it white, and this recipe just takes less than 10 minutes to make. Less than 10 minutes. So my ingredients I'll be using are, I'll use chopped okra. I have my perewinkle. I have my onion, okay, as much as you want. Then I have my salt and my ajinomoto or any seasoning of your choice. So quickly, let's go there. Water on the fire. It's been boiling according to the quantity of the okra you'll be using. So I'm going to add my salt into the water. I'm also going to add my ajinomoto. We're not frying, remember it's white okra. So I'm going to add my onion and I'm going to stir. You stir, you allow the onion to get cooked for 2 minutes. Let's check on it. So it's been 2 minutes and it's boiling very well. So add the okra and you stir. You're going to let it boil for 5 minutes. So it's been about 5 minutes. You don't want to overcook your okra at this point. So if it's too thick, you add water. Okay, now the consistency of mine is just perfect. So, like you already know, I like perewinkle, so I'm going to be adding perewinkle into it. Cook it for another 2 minutes and my food is ready. I'm going to be enjoying this okra with stew, and in fact I made ice fish stew, so I'm going to enjoy this okra with ice fish stew. So you have to cook for another 2 minutes and voila, we're done in less than 5 minutes. And do your salt tasting. If you want to add stock cube, you can add, and we're done. You take it off the fire. So can you see it's looking beautiful with my, so this is a simple way of preparing your okra and it tastes absolutely delicious. So let me see you try yours. Thank you. Bye.